Did you know you can build an AI chatbot without knowing how to write a single prompt? And you can do it with HighLevel. Most people think building an AI chatbot means trying to figure out how to write the perfect prompt, but with HighLevel that's not the case. You just have to upload some of your business information and the AI will train itself. No prompt engineering needed. Then you can take that chatbot and plug it into your website, plug it into your SMS system, or even Facebook Messenger, and it will start handling conversations right away. It answers questions, captures lead information, and books appointments automatically. It works 24/7, adapts to your brand voice, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. So you would need a HighLevel account. Once you come into your sub account, come over to AI agents, up to conversational AI, and then you'll see this is where you can create a conversation AI bot. All you have to do is come over here and click on create bot. When you click on it, you'll see you have three options for the bot to handle general Q&A, book appointments, or you can start from scratch for more flexibility. I'm going to select appointment booking and say continue, where I'll be able to give the bot a name and select the bot status to be autopilot, which just means that whenever I get an inquiry, the bot will be the one who messages back. Then below that, I can select the channels I want the bot to interact with. In this case, I'm just going to say live chat and take out the SMS. And then I'm going to click on save. So the bot has been created, but now we want to train the bot on the business's information, and we can do that without writing the actual prompt. So if you come over to bot training at the top here, you'll see you'll be able to select a knowledge base. If you do not have a knowledge base, you just have to click on create new, give the knowledge base a name, click on save and continue. And then it will take you to a new window where you can paste your website, scroll down and add some FAQs. And then when you come up here and say get data, what happens is that your website will then be scraped and pull all the information off of it, and it will use that information to train the bot so that you don't have to spend hours trying to write the perfect prompt, make sure it's in the right order. You just plug in your website and it does the rest. If I come back up to the top here and click on back, you'll see my knowledge base is now being created, but now we want to take that knowledge base and add it to the chatbot. Again, so that the chatbot can then reply to customers based off of the information we've given it. So we just click back again up here, come back down to AI agents, up to conversation AI, and then come down to the bot that you just created. Then when you click on bot training again, you can now select the knowledge base that you just created. Then you can click on save, and then it will automatically update. Then you can come up to bot goals over here, and you can see what the prompt looks like. So if I look at this over here, you'll see that it automatically updates the personality, the intent, and additional information pulling from the knowledge base. And if you wanted to add any custom values, you can just click on add custom value and then add it wherever you want. And the same principle applies to all the different sections over here. Then if you keep scrolling down, you can set up your actions, or in other words, what you want the bot to actually do. So if I want the bot to book an appointment, I just have to select it, pick the calendar, and then toggle on a few more options and then click save. Now you've set up an entire chatbot without having to write a single prompt, but they still give you the flexibility to change a prompt if you would like. This is super simple, and if you come up to the top right here, you'll see you can test your bot right there. You just have to type the message, click send, and then the chat will start loading. Then if you like it, you can click on thumbs up, which just tells the bot that yes, this is the right response to this specific question. And if you don't like it, click on the down arrow, where you can then replace the answer to what you would prefer. The chatbot has been created, and if you want to take that now and go make it live on your website or with Facebook Messenger, then all you have to do is come over to sites, come up to chatbot, and you can click on new. In this case, I wanted it to be a live chat and I want it to be a widget on the bottom right of my screen. So I'm going to select live chat, where I can customize it to whatever I want. And then once I'm happy, I can click on get code. If I'm using a website that's not inside of HighLevel, then I can just copy the code and paste it in a code block on the website. Or if you're using WordPress, then you can just click on get it for WordPress. And if you've built a website inside of HighLevel, then all you have to do is just toggle on the widget. So you can see there is so much flexibility when it comes to creating your own AI chatbot, but at the same time, you can set it up so simply without having to write your own prompt. If you'd like to build a chatbot for your own business, but without the complexity, then go try HighLevel today.